Here is how to set user permissions in Xero step by step. Start by signing in to your Xero account. Once you are in, look for the settings area and open it. This is where account controls and user management options are grouped. So it is the place to begin when you need to update what someone can access. From settings, select users. This opens the list of people who currently have access to the organization. Take a moment to find a specific user whose permissions need to be changed. Make sure you select the correct person before continuing, especially if several users have similar roles. Next to that user, click the three-dot menu. In the menu that appears, choose Change Permissions. This opens the permission settings for that user, where you can adjust both their overall access level and the detailed permissions tied to their role. Choose the access level that fits the user. Depending on the role they need, this might be Standard or Advisor. If Projects Access applies to that user, set that here as well. The access level determines the broad type of access they have, while the other permission switches let you define what they can do inside the account. Now go through the specific permissions one by one. Enable or disable sales and purchases based on whether the user needs to work with invoices, bills, or related activity. Review products and services if they need access to item records. Check bank accounts if their role includes banking tasks or account visibility. Look at reports if they need to view or work with reporting data. Review edit settings if they should be allowed to change organization settings. Then check manage users only if that person should be able to add, remove, or update access for other users. As you adjust these settings, match each permission to the user's actual responsibilities. This helps limit access to only what is needed and avoids giving control over parts of the system that are outside that person's role. Before saving, review everything you selected. Confirm that the access level is correct, that project's access is set properly if it applies, and that each enabled permission reflects the work that user is expected to handle. This final review is where you can catch anything that was switched on or off by mistake. When everything looks right, click Save. Xero will apply the updated permissions to that user's account, and the new access settings will take effect based on the options you selected. The user's Xero permissions are now updated and saved.